If you're looking for a way to build a community around your brand, I'm going to show you how to use Facebook groups and how they can help build better brand awareness right now. Hey everyone, what is going on? I'm Eddie Garrison and welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to master your social media marketing, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so you don't miss anything. Facebook now has over 2 billion active monthly users. 1 billion of those users participate in Facebook groups. Creating a group of your own is an effective way to reach your target audience. If you're not already familiar with Facebook groups, it's essentially a community within Facebook's platform that users can join and participation is encouraged. Groups are built around common interests or goals, like cooking or running, but there are plenty of other business-focused groups out there as well. In this video, I'm going to cover everything you need to know to grow your own successful group and how to use it to market your business. The first thing you need to figure out about your group is who is it for. If the goal of your group is to generate leads for your own business, your group should attract your ideal customers. It's important to have a specific target market in mind for your Facebook group. There are a few reasons for this. First, if you can be precise in terms of who you want to help, you'll be able to describe your group more effectively. When you can clearly communicate how your group can benefit others, you'll easily attract new members. The biggest benefit of clearly communicating the benefits of your group is that it becomes filled with your ideal customers instead of just random people. The second reason that it makes it easier for people to find your group. One of the main ways new people will find your group is by searching on Facebook. There are 2 billion daily searches on Facebook. If you give your Facebook group a specific, keyword-rich name, it'll be easier for people to find. 1 billion people visit Facebook pages every month. You just need to get a small slice of that action to see results for your group. An easy and free way to do this is by mentioning your group on your Facebook page from time to time. Now, don't just use your page to drive traffic to your group. The page has to provide valuable and interesting content for visitors as well. Otherwise, they won't like the page or follow it for updates. Most likely, you already have the pinned post at the top of the page for new visitors to see, so I suggest waiting until your page has around 100 followers before mentioning the group again. This is because your page fans will have forgotten the pinned post by then, but will see your new post in their timelines. Don't be overly pushy or spammy, just tell people what they can expect from your group. Posting about your group should be done no more than once a month so you don't start to annoy people who just want to follow your page's content but don't want to join the group. Another tactic is to encourage existing members to promote your group. You can use your group's existing members to help attract new ones. Exactly how you do this is going to vary depending on what your group's about and how many members you currently have. As a good first step, you can simply make a post in your group asking people to share it. Let them know you want to make this group the best and most popular one for your topic, and you need their help to do it. People like to feel helpful. In fact, a study conducted by the New York Times found that people shared content on social media for 5 main reasons: to reveal valuable and entertaining content to others, to define themselves to others, to grow and nourish friendships, for self-fulfillment, and to get the word out about brands and causes they like or support. Appeal to your group's members' emotions by letting them know how much their sharing helps grow the group and how much you appreciate it. Promote your Facebook group on other social media platforms. This one might seem, obvious, but it's important to remember. Post about your group on all your social media channels. Your target audience doesn't just hang out on Facebook. Promote it on Twitter, on Pinterest, on LinkedIn, so on and so on. You pretty much get the idea here. Facebook is still the king when it comes to user engagement. The average visit length is some 20 minutes, with over half of all users logging in multiple times a day. This means that even though people might use other social media channels, a lot of them will still check out Facebook at least once a day. Why not make it so the main reason these people check Facebook is to see what's going on in your group? Make sure posts that promote your group make it into your regularly posting schedule on all your platforms. You could even tweet or mention other influencers to let them know you have a group that might be of interest to their followers. Ideally, they'll see your group as beneficial to their audience too, instead of you competing against them. If you're struggling to get people to join your Facebook group this way, consider using a gated content approach. The gated content approach means you might not tweet about the group itself, but instead post about a piece of content that can only be found in your Facebook group. The content could be a free video training, a guide, a PDF checklist, you name it, you can post about it. You would then let people know that there is some awesome content available inside and that they can only get by joining your Facebook group. I frequently feature my live streams on my social media channels to drive traffic to my Facebook group. Same goes for my Facebook page. That is going to help you promote your Facebook group all over your social media networks. An important role you have as a group owner is to encourage interaction and participation. You can do that by asking some questions that'll help you engage with your members. If you know your niche well enough, coming up with great questions shouldn't be too hard for you. By encouraging discussions, you'll increase the odds of the group becoming self-sustaining as people begin to know each other just a little bit better. You can also encourage participation by having theme days in your group. These are posts you make on the same day of the week about a certain topic. In the post, encourage users to weigh in with their thoughts or contribute in another way. Running a Facebook group can provide a great source of leads for your business or just be a fun place to connect with other like-minded people, depending on your overall goals. However, you can't just create a Facebook group and then expect it to automatically thrive. You can't expect leads to roll in immediately or thousands of members to join in. Engage your members, respond to their posts, provide real and insightful answers to their questions. Once you can be easily found and become known for providing exclusive content, your group will start to grow without any effort at all. To learn even more about mastering your social media marketing, make sure to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.